Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Wednesday, October 20th, 2010. We had a big sell-off in commodities and stocks yesterday, and everybody was wondering whether there'd be some follow-through or buyers would come into the market. Well, the latter was the case. We had buyers come in the market. The Dow was up 129 points to 11,108. The S&P was up 12 to 1178, and the NASDAQ was up 20 to 2457. Oil was up $2.28 to 81.77. That's almost 3% on oil. Copper was up 3 cents to 3.79. Gold was up 9.5 to 13.44, almost 1%. And silver was up 8 cents to 23.85. On the Treasury bonds, Treasuries 5-year 1.09, 10-year 2.47, and 30-year 3.888. Yields were down and therefore prices were up. This is kind of surprising on a fairly strong day in the stocks. Normally investors will take money out of bonds and move into stocks if it's a strong day. What this tells me is there are still many investors that are worried about security and safety. I think their idea about safety is correct, but I think they're looking in the wrong place, especially for longer term. Treasuries and bonds will be okay in the short term, but interest rates have only one direction that they can trend. They can't go much lower. The US dollar was down against all the major currencies, the euro, the pound, and the yen. And mortgage apps came out today and were down 10%, 10.5% to be exact. On the earnings front, we had some good earnings reports by Boeing, United Technologies, Wells Fargo, and US Bancorp. In fact, the banking sector actually had a good day in the stock market and helped lift the Dow and the S&P. Europe was up modestly, about 1/4 point, and reversed its morning direction. Over in Asia, it was down for the most part on that surprising interest rate hike by China, although South Korea and Taiwan rebounded after those tech-producing countries sold off the day before. In effect, we had a complete reversal in Asia from the day before. The day before, most of the stocks were up except for South Korea and Taiwan. Today was just the opposite. South Korea and Taiwan were up, and the rest of Asia was down. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Wednesday, October 20th, 2010.